If you are a user of CapCut, you must have noticed that CapCut is now going pro. Like every feature on CapCut is almost pro. You just get to benefit only few of them that is free. So and that is a big challenge for those that edit using CapCut. I even had to switch to InShot and it was not any better. So I had to like look for a solution for those of us that use CapCut. And here I'm with a solution for you or I can get the pro version of CapCut for free without paying a single dime. Like no stress, no hack. Just follow this simple procedure I'm about to show you right now. So if you are new on this channel, this is Digital Payroll, and right here we talk about ways you can make money online, how to tutorials, and also how you can grow your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time on this channel, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you got value watching this. Help me get this channel to 500 subscribers before the year runs out. So do it to like this video, subscribe if you are watching this video, and also drop a comment if you got value. Alright, let's proceed and get started. So for you to download the pro version of CapCut, you need to go to your Chrome browser. So I'll be going to my Chrome browser right now. Let me take my phone. So once you're in your Chrome browser, so right here, you have to search for CapCut old version. So once you search for this, then this will load up for you. So you can see several of them right here. So the one I use is this second one that says Fireworks. Can you see? So just open that. So once you open this particular link, you want to search for the version of CapCut that is 11.01. That's the one I use, but you can also check other versions if they work for you. But the one I will use and has been working well for me is 11.01. So I'll just go down and search for it. So can you see the different versions we have right here? You can see from 14.10, and you can see the date, April 10, 2025. I think the other one that I want us to get is 2024. So you'll just come here and tap on this so you can go to the next page. So once I tap on that, it will bring up some ads for you. So just remove it and go back and just click on it again till it take you to that next page. So you can see we're already on the next page, and you can see the app right here, 11.10. 11.10, that is the one you want to download. So just go ahead and tap on it. It might take you to an ad, but just keep going away from it till it opens the file you want to download. Can you see? We are now on the file right here. So once you're right here, just come over to this place where it says download now. Can you see that? 242 MB. So I'll tap on download. Let's go back. This is an ad. So just keep doing it till you download the right file. Can you see it has bring the right file right now? Do you want to download CapCut 11.10? So you click on download anyway. So it's downloading the file already. Let's check the details. Can you see it's already downloading? So let's wait for this to download, guys. Once it's done downloading, then we get to open it, and I'll show you that it truly downloaded the pro version. So let's wait for this. So I believe you are getting value. Do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if you're getting value. So you can see now the file is done downloading. So let's go ahead and open that file. So I'll click on the app to open it. Can you see staging app? Let's wait for this. So let's wait for this. Do you want to install this app? I'll click on yes. So I'll install it. So the app is installing already. Are you guys seeing that? So just ensure you download the older version of CapCut, and you also get to enjoy the pro feature. You know, in the past, people used to have access to a lot of features on CapCut. So this is like you going back to the past to access those features again for free, like it used to be. So once this is done installing, we open it. Let's wait for this to install completely. So it is done installing. Installation complete. So I'll click on close. Can you see it here? App installed. I'll click on open. So now we just opened the CapCut app. So this is opening. Let's wait for this also. I'll click on agree and continue. Can you see? So what you do right here is I'll click on allow notifications. So let's go ahead and import a new project. If you notice, the new CapCut is not like this again. Like a lot of things have changed. So this is evidence that you are now using an old app like the old version. So let's click on new projects to import a video. So we get to like try to edit and see if truly we are using the pro version. So let's wait for this. Awesome. So I'll just open this video, this particular video. So I'll click on try it now. So I'll just choose this particular video, then I'll click on add. So once I add it, it's already adding to the. So let's test run this and see if truly we have access to more features like it used to be. So I'll start by clicking on sound remover, like remove background noise. So I'll tap on the video. So I'll look for remove background noise. Let's check this. Alright, you can see reduce noise right here. So once I tap on it, can you see? And I click on this to turn it on. Can you see?
Before you compare my price with that,
can you see? This feature is now pro, like you can use it for free on the new CapCut. Can you see that you now have access to one of those pro features for free? Let's check for another feature. What feature should we check for again? So assuming you want to animate the video, so once you click on animation, you get to see all this. Can you see? Are you seeing all this? Most of these are now pro, like I can see right here, nothing is written pro. It's still for free right here. Are you seeing all that? Are you seeing even this slide down? This slide down is now a paid feature on CapCut. Are you seeing that? So, and if you go ahead and keep on trying every feature, you get to see that they are all free right here. They are all free right here. So go ahead and try this. Just go ahead and ensure you download an old version on Chrome. When you are trying to download it, it might be taking you to other sites, other applications, but go back to ensure that you are downloading the actual stuff you want to download. Do you understand? You know those things are hard, so it's normal for something like this. So I guess you can see that we are able to download the pro version of CapCut for free without spending a dime. Like you can see all the features we're able to access. If you download the usual CapCut, you will not see all these features on your CapCut. You won't access them for free on the usual CapCut. So I believe you actually enjoyed this video and you got value. Ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and also drop a comment if this was valuable to you. I want us to get this channel to like 500 subscribers before the year runs out. So do it to subscribe to this channel, guys. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye, guys.